the Keto Whiskey Sour. A modified version of what sailors drank to prevent scurvy and the runs from bad water. He cuts a lime because he hates lemons, and juices 3/4 of an ounce. This goes into the glass. Next, he needs 1 part sweet, so, using his allulose simple syrup, he pours another 3/4 ounces into the pint glass. Then for the all-important whiskey. You want to aim for an 80 proof whiskey, i.e. 40% liquor. 2 ounces of the spirit is added, and then he reaches for an egg. Although the egg white is optional, with it, the cocktail is often referred to as a Boston Sour. He separates the egg white into another vessel, and removes the chalazé for easier post-cocktail cleaning. After he adds the egg into the pint glass, he covers it, and lets the ingredients become friends. Be forewarned, there is a minuscule chance of salmonella from the egg, but according to scientists, if you wait 9 minutes, the liquor and the acid will kill it all. However, ain't nobody got time for that. He shows the seal and dry shakes the mixture for 30 seconds.
Defense! Defense!
As he sets it down, he aims to smack the pint glass, but he should aim to hit it here, as this will better release the seal. After separation, he moves the glass and sets it aside as he grabs the now tempered block of ice. He shakes off any excess water and gently slides it into the tin. The ice should crack and begin to dilute within the cocktail. However, the ice was tempered, so it has not cracked. It's now time for the wet shake. Ensuring a good grip, he vigorously shakes the cocktail for 30 seconds. He's learning. He will be serving this whiskey sour up, so without ice. Using a coupe glass, he double strains the cocktail to remove any possible ice shards. However, something is amiss. Grabbing his bitters, he notices there's no foam development on the cocktail. From any angle, this is not acceptable. So he pours it back into the shaker tin, adds a piece of ice to complement the clear ice block, and shakes again for 30 seconds. Again, he double strains it, but it is more of the same. When he adds the bitters, they simply spread out due to the lack of foam, creating an ugly and abysmal presentation. As he ponders what happened, he gives it a try, and although tasty, he is not satisfied. This is why we use another vessel. So he cleans, because ants. After all his mistrials, he pours his cocktail into another coupe glass. Although distant from what Sailor Jerry drank, it is a success. Using an eyedropper, he adds his Angostura bitters onto the successful foam on top. Although they may simply look like crop circles from some alien mixologist, they are not only decorative, but aromatic. Using a thin object, he runs it down the center of the drops to make 4 hearts, like a deck of playing cards. If you like cocktails, you would definitely enjoy this Keto Mojito. And if you enjoy cooking low-carb food and believe it should be easy, delicious, and nutritious, subscribe, and I'll see you in this next video. Until then, eat well and drink responsibly.